This indicator suggested entering a long position here. A few candles later, it signaled an exit. If we took this position, setting the stop loss just below the entry candle and targeting the exit point suggested by the same indicator, you can see this trade would have been profitable with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2.5. A few candles later, the same indicator suggested entering another long position. If we took that trade, again placing the stop loss just below the entry candle and targeting the exit point I recommended, this trade would have been profitable with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.73. If we target the next exit point, the risk-reward ratio jumps to 2.8. The same scenario applies to this position. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is this indicator? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about it. This video is about a unique tool called the DSL Oscillator, created and published by TradingView user Big Beluga. To add this indicator to your chart, head over to TradingView, the platform we'll be using. You'll find the sign up link in the video description if you don't have an account. Once you're on TradingView, load any trading security and any time frame you like. For this tutorial, I'll use the 5-minute time frame for GBPJPY. Next, click on Indicators to open the search tab and type in DSL Oscillator. Be sure to select the one by Big Beluga. So what is this indicator? The DSL Oscillator by Big Beluga is an advanced technical analysis tool designed to help traders spot trend directions, momentum, and potential reversal points. It combines elements from the Relative Strength Index RSI, discontinued signal lines DSL, and zero lag exponential moving average ZLMA for a detailed market view. Here's how it's structured. It features two key components, the DSL lines, which are these dotted lines, and the oscillator line, which shifts colors between blue and teal. The oscillator combines RSI and DSL lines, is smooth with ZLMA to reduce lag, and oscillates between 0 and 100. Looking at the scale, you'll notice values range from 0 to infinity with a key midpoint at 50. When all lines are above 50, it signals bullish momentum. When below, bearish momentum. Crossovers between the oscillator and DSL lines generate buy and sell signals. For example, when the oscillator crosses above the lower DSL line below 50, it triggers a buy signal marked by a teal dot and a vertical bar labeled enter. Conversely, when the oscillator crosses below the upper DSL line above 50, it signals a sell with a blue dot and bar labeled exit. The enter label indicates long positions, while exit marks points to exit longs or enter shorts. You can use the crossover signals alone or as part of a strategy. The indicator also has extremity levels. The upper extremity at 75 teal signals overbought conditions, while the lower extremity at 25 blue indicates oversold conditions, both of which could signal reversals. So how do you trade with it? First, use crossovers as entry signals. But this indicator also functions as a trend and momentum analysis tool. To identify trends, check the oscillator's position relative to the DSL lines. If above the upper DSL, it indicates a bullish trend. If below the lower DSL, it's bearish. The distance between lines shows trend strength. For momentum analysis, rapid movement toward extreme levels signals strong momentum, either bullish or bearish. Oscillator convergence with DSL lines suggests weakening momentum, indicating areas to avoid trading. To build a strategy, combine this oscillator with another indicator called DSL Trend Analysis by Chart Prime. After adding it, double-click to adjust settings, set the length to 34, change the orange line to red, and disable the first 5 style options. Board our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. This indicator uses 2 bands green for bullish trends and red for bearish. A bullish trend is confirmed when the green band is above the red band and prices are moving up. Similarly, a bearish trend is shown when the red band is above the green band and prices are heading down. Here's how to enter a long trade. Wait for the oscillator to print a long signal. Confirm by the enter label. Ensure it appears in a bullish trend green band above red. Then check that the last 3 candles opened and closed above the green band. Enter the trade, set your stop loss below the green band, and aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Let the trade run. And as you can see, this approach works. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext. For shorts, the process is similar but reversed. Use the exit signal to enter, confirm a bearish trend red band above green, and ensure the last 3 candles are open and closed below the red band. Place your stop loss above the red band and aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2. Looking to step into the world of trading? Look no further. Introducing FP Markets, your ultimate trading destination. With a stellar reputation since 2005, FP Markets stands as a beacon of trust in the financial world. Regulated and reliable, we're your gateway to success in CFD and Forex trading. Imagine accessing a comprehensive suite of trading products all from one single account. With FP Markets, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. FP Markets has transformed my trading experience. I can diversify my portfolio effortlessly. Their platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making trading a breeze. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading game. Click the link above or in the description below to sign up, join the FP Markets community, and start your journey to financial success today. FP Markets, where trading dreams become reality. In summary, the DSL Oscillator by Big Beluga provides a well-rounded analysis by combining adaptive signal lines, momentum tracking, and trend identification. It's best used with other indicators as part of a broader trading strategy. If you found this video helpful, drop a like or consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.